Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Come catch that one, your Crosses TV.
Monkey up. The Rasta man eat your blood clot. Sasha muted. The Rasta man eat your blood clot, Suzi. Your baby father fuck you and duck you like a ice blood clot chuck. Big pussy Suzi. Go look for your daughter where you make the Rasta man a fuck out your daughter blood clot pussy. Put your daughter and blood clot that pussy that together. Your daughter pussy.
I'm a car, Fred. Come here, see one for police station. I pick up. I don't know which one. Can GPS bring me got fire department. So me have to call them.
I know all your blood clot talk to Suzi and the blood clot chat, you know. And I me your blood clot come to you. Never come to blood clot Suzi. Say anything. I don't know all your blood clot talk to Suzi and the blood clot chat. And you put Suzi and the blood clot chat. Big pussy Suzi. You got dead bad.
Alright, so that's not a precinct. What the fuck?
You got dead. You got dead, Suzi. Want you for dead. I don't like you. You got dead. You got dead, Suzi. You got dead. You got dead. You're for dead.
Hold on, let me call. We don't know the place, you know. We just got the precinct the other day and report me. 2 minutes know, you know. Fuck.
Your brain now move good. That like Tega.
Hi, Delilah. How are you?
Hi, Sasha. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Can you tell me? Can I ask you a question? Do you know what the police station that I went to the last time? Where?
No.
Do you know?
I don't know.
Do you remember where it was located?
No, because I didn't go there. I think you went there.
Yeah, I did go, but I don't remember the address. I'm trying to find it on Google, but it brought me to the George County Fire Department.
Wow.
And
did you receive any business card from them? Because I didn't get any from them.
Yeah, I did, but I lost it. I didn't have it. Oh my God.
Oh no. Yeah.
But I know it's close by. I know it's like 20 minutes away from us. I know that.
Try to drive, see if you can remember if you see the location.
Girl, you
try
gotta
to drive up there because I don't know.
All right.
Sasha.
No, I'm okay. No, it's
Sasha.
Oh, my mom is calling.
Okay.
My mom is calling me.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Leon.
Yeah.
I'm just calling for something real quick. What's the name of that police station? The police station that I went to. You remember when I had that situation and I drove to the police station or whatever down in where is it located? Like to make a report or whatever. I forgot how to get there, so I'm trying to Google it, but I don't remember the address, and it's not in my
To make a report.
Yeah, don't ask me no questions, Leon. This is serious right now. I just need to know if you know where I can go. That's all I need to know. I'll talk to you about it later.
What kind of time are you on that?
Remember, I'm by Fort Washington.
Yeah, I don't know if that joint still got.
Oh yeah, Washington D.C.
Where you say,
Sasha,
Leon?
Sasha.
So I don't know if that joint still has a commissioner because they may change.
Okay, but I know one is like 20 minutes away from the house. I know. What happened, Ukuu? What?
Yeah, up on Marlboro.
Hold on there. Where you say?
May I accept it for Washington? May I accept it for Washington D.C. That may I
accept. I'm like 20 minutes away. Us, baby. I'm 20 minutes away. I'm 20 minutes away from D.C.
Washington D.C. On the main road.
Where you say, Leon?
Up on Marlboro, do you have something to write the address?
All right, give me the address. Hold on. Shit. I think that's the one I went to, though. I'm not sure, though.
Up on Marlboro.
All right.
What is exactly you got to do, sir?
No, I need to file a report. That's it. I just need to file a report. That's it. Can you give me the address, please? Hold on.
Let me make sure you're going to commissioner.
Okay.
Commissioner's office is going to be 13400.
13400.
DILLE.
DILLE.
Yes. Drive.
Hold on. Okay. Drive.
Upper Marlboro, Maryland.
Hold on. Upper. How you spell that again? Upper Marlboro. MALB.
MARL.
Oh, is an R in it? So MAR.
LBORO. Maryland 20772.
20772. All right, I'll call you back, okay? Thank you so much. All right. Okay. Sorry, Ukuu, I didn't mean to yell at you, honey, because he was trying to find the information. I'm sorry, honey. I don't want them to think that me and you fell out, okay, baby?
Sasha, just do your thing. I want to tell a blood clot, Suzi.
Hold on, let me type in the address now. And I'm a GPS. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. 13400. DILLE. DILLE. Drive.
You're gonna follow that door. Tonight, that one's on.
Lord Jesus. Okay, guys, it's 27 minutes away from me. Damn, what the fuck?
Just drive and drip the car, girl. Just drive. Want Suzi forget that. Just drive carefully, baby. Drive carefully, baby. But don't want to drive. But don't want to drive in anger. Just drive carefully. I'm not laughing.
Y'all can't.
Just drive safely, baby.
Okay, hold on. Let me let this car pass me.
You got water?
I have liquor.
Drinks. You got liquor. Drink some. Settle your brain.
My brain settle, man.
Yeah, lock up.
They thought I was going to tear down and cry. That's what they thought.
In a car and I bring my name. Just wait. And a robot you next. Me I said that I speak in a car and bring my name. Like a robot you next. And dash your belly bump up.
Alright, I gotta turn on the highway. I'm going on the highway.
Wait. Yeah? Time I come soon.
Sasha, did you see how your WhatsApp? I said you was Suzi's name.
What you said, Ukuu?
I said you Suzi's name on WhatsApp. Did you see it?
Okay.
Huh? Look at
Hold on. I'm driving. Remember, I'm driving. I can't look at it.
When you don't drive, yeah. Somebody said me on here. She needs to get locked up.
Talking about I don't have that picture. I only said that. I send that picture to two people, and there's one or the hider. One or the hider. But I know who did it, but I'm not gonna call no names, Santos. People say they're your friend and they're not, Santos. Be careful. Be careful. I regret coming with a clean heart. I come with a clean heart, but gonna take advantage. Suzi been planned for me a long time. Suzi a planned for me. And she just did a laugh up with me the other day. She just begs to me so she have the cross in her blood clot head. That's all me say about the fucking lady. So she have the cross in her blood clot head and she get vexed.
Santos me say,
but she done her work. You know, no blood clot work.
You know all thing different there.
Me no blood clot PCT, patient care take one or the hider. One or the hider. But I know who did it, but I'm not gonna call no names, Santos. People say they're your friend and they're not, Santos. Be careful. Be careful. I regret coming with a clean heart. I come with a clean heart, but gonna take advantage. Suzi been planned for me a long time. Suzi a planned for me. And she just did a laugh up with me the other day. She just begs to me so she have the cross in her blood clot head. me say about the fucking lady. So she have to cross her blood clot head and she get vexed.
Sometimes I say, oh, but
but she gone her work. You know, I'm not blood clot work.
You know all thing different there.
Me a blood clot PCT, patient care technician. I draw blood for my doctors and my nurses. I am an assistant for my doctors and my nurses that I work under. But me a CNA. Yeah, me have a CNA certificate. So matter of fact, the license for the CNA have to renew next year. The fuck?
You know, sorry, everything on the line. Just come yourself. I don't think I can teach your brethren. Yeah, the same thing.
Jaja.
Sasha,
sit.
Humble yourself. Humble yourself.
Me humble. We can't play some cartel in the meantime, cause you know.
We can't play everything.
Yeah, block me cause she said me I got blood clot recent. Well, on let me play my cartel. Hey Siri. Play Vibes Cartel.
Now playing Vibes Cartel on Apple Music.
My favorite artist is Gaza, I say, but you know me have to do this police thing. I really don't like police, but you have to do what I have to do. You see me?